Hello everyone and welcome back, and today is day 2 and we have white fish, ocean whitefish and tuna, chicken and salmon dinner, the beef and gravy and turkey and cheese dinner, and we've already did the beef and gravy, so now we're going to pick another one and it's going to be chicken and salmon dinner. So we're going to open it up and here he comes. He knows what's going on. He's waiting for it, starting to purr. He knows what he's getting. Alright, so this one's a chicken and salmon dinner. Okay, so now we're going to give it to him. And he likes it. Thanks for watching, everyone.